Shure Aonic50 headphones are packaged to perfection. The premium headset comes packaged in a striking circular box. Inside, there's also a large circular carrying case, making the device extremely portable. Shure Aonic50 wireless headphones feature a plush headband and plush ear cups for long wearing comfort. The headphones also have buttons giving the wearer fingertip control for power, volume, and answering calls. Shure Aonic50 features an environment mode with adjustable noise cancellation and promises up to 20 hours of battery life. Its portable carrying case comes with a 3.5mm audio cable as well as a USB-C cable for charging. Shure Aonic50 is made with comfort in mind as well as convenience. It folds flat for portability, no cords, no wires, just pure listening to high-resolution audio.